In my kitchen right now, it's all about tonnato sauce. Today I'm going to show you an Italian classic of tonnato sauce made with real great pork chops. Perfect ratio of fat, which is going to ooze and give you that beautiful juiciness, and they're nice and thick too. Look at that. There are going to be two different ways of cooking these chops because they're so thick. I'm going to obviously shallow fry them, and then when they're golden brown, put them in the oven at 180 for about 15 minutes just so they're nicely cooked through. Nobody wants a dry pork chop. Tonnato sauce is tuna anchovy Italian dressing, which you can smother over everything. Put all those ingredients into your blender, slowly pour in your olive oil like you make an aioli or a mayonnaise, just so that it really gets the right emulsification. And what I like to do when I entertain is just serve a whole lot of these on a big platter with a nice lemony balsamic dressed rocket salad, lovely anchovy, briny caper. All that lemon really does make for a magnificent combination. Little drizzle of Italian extra virgin olive oil. I'm a Chardonnay girl, so I kind of really can drink it with anything, but in particular, it loves seafood. The use of the canned tuna and the anchovies in the tonnato sauce will be a fantastic pairing. I can guarantee you this is the best, juiciest pork chop that you'll probably ever have. Follow Taste to see more of my recipes in my Italian series.